Morning, dear children. Welcome you again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's recall what are things we have discussed in previous class. Dear students, what we have discussed in previous class? Yes, we were discussing about mirrors and reflection. What is reflection? Yes, when a ray of light falls on smooth and polished surface, light returns back in the same medium is called reflection. I hope all of you have studied the notes. And one more thing I want to tell you that all of you have performed well in test paper. So dear children, today we will be discussing activity related to reflection. Now let us discuss an activity related to reflection. This activity should be done at night or a dark room. So you need 3 people for it. Ask one of your friends to hold a mirror. Like this. Here this girl is holding a mirror. And she is standing at one corner of the room. So the other child has to stand at the other corner of a room with a torch in his hand. Like this. The boy is standing at the other corner of a room with a torch in his hand. So the another step will be that you have to cover the front glass of a torch with your fingers. Then on the torch or switch it on. Now what you have to do? You have to adjust your fingers with a small gap between them so that you can get a correct straight line of light or a beam of light. Now just open a finger a bit so that a small gap is maintained and a ray or a beam of light falls directly on the mirror that a friend is holding the other side of room. Now adjust the direction of the torch so that the patch of light falls on another friend standing in the room. Now this activity suggests that a mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. Now let us discuss another activity. Here fix a comb on one side of a larger thermocol sheet and fix a mirror. Here you can see. And on the other side you have to fix a comb like this. Now spread a dark color sheet of paper between the mirror and comb. Now you just have to take a dark color sheet of paper and just try to spread it between this mirror and the comb. Now with the help of a torch, you have to send a beam of light from a torch through the comb. So the light passes through the comb and went straight away to the mirror. Now this activity gives us an idea of the manner in which light travels and gets reflected from a mirror. So let me conclude today's session. Today we have discussed activity related to reflection. All of you read the textbook. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom, and all of you please copy the notes in your notebook, and there will be a small test paper related to this topic. So all of you attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.